Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 26 of the Adobe XD tutorial series, and today what we're going to do is we're going to create columns and grids inside of Adobe XD. So once you start up Adobe XD, you might notice that there are no grid options, no columns or column options, like in other Adobe application, and there is a grid option which is based on pixel. So if you want to create a column, so what you can actually do is go to the artboard and turn on the grid, and over here you can see that 12 pixel is being selected right here. So just select the grid that you are comfortable with, like 8 and so forth, and there you go, you have the grid. So over here now I'm going to use something called the repeat grid tool, so to create my column right here. So let's say for example I want the column right about a big. Alright, so I can actually increase the size of this, and over here just use the repeat grid and use that as a drawing guide. Alright, so I'm going to adjust the shape over here, so just do this. Alright, so they get an equal level of shape just like that, and drag it out till the end just like that, and I got a grid right there. So now if I were to turn the background off, so let's say for example if I want to go back, so just go back right here, and then I'm gonna go into my layers. I'm gonna turn off the repeat grid, and over here on the back section I'm gonna use this. Alright, so over here what I'm going to do is over here, so let's go over here and then double click on iPhone right here, because that's where the layer is. Reduce it and you can see that the grid is there. But while you design, what happens is that the grid can actually be selected, so that is not something which you want over here. So what you can simply do is you can actually lock the layer, and what it'll do is it'll not allow you to move the grid behind. So now you can take the grid as your guide and then design it accordingly, according to what you are comfortable with. So you can use the grid just like this to design according to the alignment just like that. So but there's no snap to grid feature right here, so you can see that this actually works like this. So that is how you can make grids inside of Adobe XD, even if there is not a grid that is there. So hopefully in the future versions they will release a grid option in the vertical column grid feature inside of Adobe XD. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.